So everyone has different habits. So we need to understand that whatever habit we have, it is going to form our life. It is going to shape our life, whatever habit. And it will make the kind of person that we want to become. And sometimes we don't know what we are becoming, just we have habits and we are becoming. So if we have wrong habits, we have wrong lifestyle. And when we have wrong lifestyle, we don't enjoy our life. And if we have good habits, we have right lifestyle. And when we have right lifestyle, we are happy in our life. So it is matter of happy, unhappy. It is matter of like doing something good, not doing anything good. So we have to understand it, that what kind of habit do we have, because whatever habit we have made. So let's talk that some people wake up early in the morning and then don't do exercise. All right, they don't do their workout, and they have this habit, and they have made this habit because of their like patterns, because of their mindset, whatever they do in the morning. So they do not do exercise and they do not get proper energy in a day. When whatever they do, they are not like feel charged, they are not like fully energetic, they are not concentrated on their work, they are not kind of positive thinker. Exercise like affects everything in our life. It affects our body, it affects our emotion, it affects everything. So when we don't know that, when we don't have good habits, we actually are not right on the right track. So in the same way, if we talk about learning a language, as we are learning English language, all right, so we have to make it also a habit of reading, habit of writing, habit of watching videos, habit of listening audios or podcasts, habit of talking to our friends in English, habit of learning new vocabularies. So we have to make it a habit also. So when we will make it a habit, it will become easy for us and will become part of our life. And when it will become part of our life, we will not like be confused, and it will become very easy for us. So these are the things that it is not in our habit, so that we are not getting easily. Some people have habit of reading books. So that's why they are charged, they are knowledgeable, they have a lot of knowledge. When people talk to them, they can give them a lot of information about anything, what they are reading, if we are talking about their topics. So it's there in their habit, and it's like it's no wonder that how they can give you knowledge and all, because they are reading, the reading is in their habit. So now the question comes that what kind of wrong habit do you have and what kind of right habits do you have? If you have a wrong habit, you have to cut it from your life. If you have right habits, just keep on doing whatever you are doing for that. So this is the thing, that we don't know that what kind of habit we have made, and we are unhappy because of that, we are lazy because of that, we are not on the track because of that, and we don't know why we are like this, why we do whatever we do, why we think whatever we think, the way we think. We have to understand it. This is the thing. So that's why just I say, first we make habits, then habits make us. First we make habits, then habits make us. So keep this thing in mind, that we have to choose our habits consciously. By being aware, we have to focus on our habits, that what are our habits, what are our wrong habits, what are our right habits. And when we have wrong habits, it can destroy our life. When we have right habits, it can change our life, it can like create miracle in your life. But we have to understand this thing, that do we have right habits or not, and we have made it, whether we know it or no, or don't know. All right, as waking up early in the morning is also a good habit, but if we are unable to wake up early in the morning, it means we don't have that good habit, we have a bad habit. All right, we all know all those things. So we have to now check it, and we have to think about it, that I have to change my habit, because my habits are making me. My habits are making me. We have to keep this thing in mind. So these are the things. So we have to keep this thing in our mind, and we have to like see our habits closely. As you wake up early in the morning, see your whole day, analyze your whole day, try to understand what wrong habits do you have. habits of not eating food on time, habits of not waking up on time, habits of like watching TV programs, habits of talking to friends, habits of using social media platforms. What kind of habits do you have? You have to keep this thing in mind. You have to understand this thing. If you really want to change yourself, if you really want to work on yourself, it is a self growth, it is a personal growth. We are talking because this, like whatever we talk about personal growth, English communication, all right, we talk about confidence and all those things. That's why we are talking. So habits can make us or break us. It can do both the things. We have to choose this wisely. All right, so this is the thing in this lecture, that we have to keep good habits, we have to maintain good habits, and before the maintaining we have to check it, what kind of habit do I have. All right, so now you think about your habits, that what wrong habits do you have. Think about that, what wrong habits do you have, and how can you replace those like bad habits with good habits. Think about that. Do you have good habits of doing workout? Do you have habits of waking up on time? Do you have habits of reading books? Do you have habits of learning English language? Because you are learning English language now, so do you have habits of learning English language also? And if you don't have, you have to change it, you have to make it now. Okay.